Get on over there. Turn on over like that. Trying to get some of that fat to come out of this bacon here. Alright, I'm gonna let that render down a couple more minutes. Then I'm gonna get my chicken inside of here. Just wanna be careful with this. This bacon grease will pop the heck out of you. To the side a little bit. Let me get my chicken thighs in here. I got my thighs seasoned with a little black pepper, onion powder, that nature seasoning, and some smoked paprika. Last one in here. So right there, get a little color on there, and I flip it over on the other side. Alright, go ahead and give this a flip. Over there. Okay, once I have that flip like that, go ahead and put my onions in here. Man, that smells so good. Okay, just let that cook. Maybe another 5 minutes or so, just like that. And I'll come back. I'm gonna add me a little garlic inside of here and a little chicken stock. Alright, so I got that onion cooking down some. I'm gonna put some of this garlic right here. You know, garlic is strong. And this made me get choked up. Alright, just mix that around a little bit. Let that garlic cook for about a minute or two. Oh, that smells so good. Absolutely wonderful. It's the W in wonderful, boy, I tell you that. So I'm just letting that simmer for about a couple minutes. I'm going to be back. Add my chicken broth inside of here. And I'm going to cover it, let it simmer for about an hour. This is going to be done. This is going to be my Wednesday night meal. I don't even know what day it is. It's gonna be my Tuesday night meal. Alright, I'm gonna come in here and put the rest of my... Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. This is the rest of that unsalted chicken broth that I use in another recipe. I'll go ahead and get the rest of the stuff inside of here. I'm not going to add any more seasoning to this because I got that bacon in here, and I already seasoned my chicken really well. Okay, I know that might seem like that's a lot of liquid, but this is going to cook for an hour, and it is definitely going to reduce. And then once it's nice and tender, I'm going to make me a nice flour slurry, thicken it up a little bit. So this is going to turn out perfect in the end. I'm not going to add any kitchen bouquet into this. Just going to let it roll with that natural color from browning the chicken and that paprika. So I'm going to cover this, turn it on a nice medium heat, let it cook for an hour, and I'll be back to thicken this gravy on it, and I'll be ready to eat. Okay, so I got this at a nice boil here now. See that my liquid has reduced, just like I wanted to. Into my buddy Chef Jeffrey. Eat that purple hollow peas, crowded peas, and salt Joe. Oops. And we'll just pour this side here. That's gonna thicken that up. I already checked my seasoning. Seasoning is on point. Don't need to add anything else. I'm just gonna leave this on a high fire, guys. This is gonna thicken up in no time. And I come back, this is gonna be ready to plate up, ready to eat. Alright. Alright, so this is done. You see that flour slurry really thicken up my gravy really good. Look at that. Nice, great, smooth gravy. Oh boy. You can put that on rice. You can put that on mashed potatoes. Got that nice bacon in it. And I skimmed that excess oil from around the sides. I skimmed all of that off. Look at that. Good God Almighty. Okay, so I'm going to plate me up a little bit of this. Just a little white rice. Not too much rice. I'm trying to cut back on my rice intake, guys. I'm going to go ahead and just get me a little bit of rice with this. Give it a taste test for you. Alright guys, so you can see I got me a little bed of rice right here. And I'm going to come in. I'm just going to put me chicken right there. And chicken right there. Put a little bit of this Onion and bacon gravy on the top like that. Just like that, guys. A little bit more of that gravy on the top. Alright, I'm gonna take my thumbnail and my videos. I'm gonna give this a taste test. Nice, good stewed chicken, smothered chicken, however you want to call it. I'll be back. Oh boy. Oh, let me see. Okay, I was just watching Eric and Teresa with that nice good fried cabbage and sausage. Man, that looks so good. Now I guess I'm gonna watch. Let's see what Ray Mac got. Ray Mac got some nice good potatoes I wanted to check out. Alright guys, coming in with a little quick taste test here. This is my nice good stewed chicken thighs. Nice bacon and onion gravy. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna get me a piece of this chicken off of here. And a piece of that skin. The best part is that skin. A piece of that bacon. Look at that. That blurry. I'm trying to get this thing to stop being so blurry. Alright, I'm gonna give it a taste. Everything is on point. A nice flavor from that bacon. And that flavor from that, what's the name of that thing? That nature seasoning. Look at that. Chicken nice and tender. Love that little skin part right there. Oh, hot sauce on here. Alright guys, I'm about to go in.